Hello, my friends. Today is what I always used to call catch-up day, but I think I'm going to change the name. I think I'm going to change the name to rerun day or replay day. I don't know. I'm making this stuff up. Anyway, what is today? On the 25th of each month, what we do is we release items that maybe we have extras of that came from a kit, or maybe I released them years ago with Sizzix. Or maybe they're just some extra embellishments that we might have laying around, but it's something you might have seen already. So now it could have been 10 years ago when I was with Sizzix, but you just never know, right? So we like to give you that heads up. So go check to see if you have these items before you purchase them. But if you're new to Stamps of Life, you probably don't have these and you probably never even saw them. So they're going to be even more exciting. Number one is our circle stand-up die. I can't believe we had to wait this long to get it. What is a circle stand-up die? Let me show you. Are you ready? Get set. Look at that. You are loved. Isn't that cute? Now, comes with lots of words in there. It comes with you are loved, comes with thinking of you, hello, and how are you? Isn't that cute? With tons of flowers. But look at how cute that is. I'll show you more samples in a second. We also have the words, this was a card kit word one time. It says totally rad, and it's similar in style to this kind where it stays in there. So it's really fun. So if you need words that say totally rad, I got you covered. We're also releasing, this one I released with Sizzix probably about 11 years ago. And what it is it's this background, and how appropriate to do it this month because we're doing all of our stars and 4th of July right now. So look at that. So now if you didn't have this and you saw it on one of the samples from the design team, now's your chance to pick this one up. We also have, last but not least, this was in a card kit a couple of years ago, the A1 Flower Fold It, which is so cute. But look at, here's another sample. You don't have to make it a fold it. You can add it to a half gatefold card, and look at how cute that is. So this is the A1 version. We already have the A2 version, but a lot of you like the larger size and the smaller size. So something to think about. Now let's go look at some of the samples that I have, because these stars, look how fun the stars are. I love those. Totally different. Isn't that awesome? Totally different. Oh, here's another star one. Look at this. That half gatefold card. Oh no, this is our Z fold. Look at this. Ready? What? Isn't that gorgeous? Don't you love that? That's so much fun. Here's that star background again. So fun. Oh, another star background, but with a shaker in the background, which you gotta love those, right? I love that. Ooh, here's a pretty one with it embossed in the card base. Love that. Now let's look at some more circle stand-ups, because they really are outstanding and very, very popular. So here we go. And it's fun because, thinking of you, it's fun because the people you give this to, they will be able to display it. It will not fall over when the door gets opened and the wind comes in, right? Now here's another one, and something to think about. Happy summer. All of our season circle words will go in this circle stand up. So here we go. Here's one, you are loved. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Look at that, those pretty flowers. I love it. Here's one. Look at this. This is exciting. This is different. I like this. You're going to pop it. Oh, it got a little stuck for photography. But look at that. Isn't that cute? It's like the circle's there, but you're ignoring the circle. I like that. I think that's so fun. How are you? Here's another one. Ready? Hello. Open it up. Thinking of you, with the cute little flowers on the inside. Now, we've added these on flash sale for the first 24 hours. They're on our website. So if you don't have these, go check them out. Add them to your collection. Make sure you get them, especially that star background. It's just fantastic. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Club members, you know the deal. You know you're getting your 15 to 20% discount off of every single item, every single day, every single order. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.